Be honest, that made you yawn, right? Yawns are weirdly contagious, but only for humans, chimpanzees, and dogs. Scientists think it's not just about being tired. One idea: group synchronization. If one member's sleepy, the rest of the group catches the vibe, so everyone rests at the same time. Another? Group vigilance. Yawning can actually sharpen alertness, maybe by cooling the brain, so a whole group stays ready for danger. And here's the social twist. You're more likely to catch a yawn from friends or family, which hints at social bonding. Next time someone yawns beside you, it may not just be tiredness. It could be your brain mirroring theirs.